What's up, people? So, guys, I was playing like this Ouija board game and something happened. Something happened bad. I don't know what it was, but something happened, guys. When I was playing a Ouija game, number one, I heard a noise. Number two, something touched me. And number three, I got possessed. So, guys, I'm never playing that game ever again. I don't care what anybody says. Scary ass game, guys. It really is. So, guys, what do you want me to do? What do you guys want me to do? Because I'll do anything. I did do the Bloody Mary challenge once. Something weird happened now. And guys, if I can get at least 10 thumbs up or 10 likes, at least, I will do the Bloody Mary challenge. If you guys want me to do the Bloody Mary challenge, at least give me 5 or 6 likes, at least, I guess. If not, 10 is okay. But if I get 20 likes, I'll do the baby blue challenge. Alright? So you guys pick, alright? You want me to do the Bloody Mary challenge? Or the baby blue challenge? Because I don't have the Ouija board right now. So either I'll do the Bloody Mary challenge I'll do, or the baby blue challenge. If I had an Ouija board, I can do that, but you guys pick, right? Like I said, if I get 5 or 6 likes, I'll do the Bloody Mary challenge with the bathroom door locked and the lights off. And if I get at least 20 likes, I'll do the baby blue challenge. Gone wrong. Okay? See you for my next video.